let us discuss the important news on the Hindu. So let's go through the important pages. In the national news, the Hindu reported about National Green Tribunal's report. So let's look into the background of National Green Tribunal. It was enacted by the Parliament of India, National Green Tribunal Act 2010. It's an act of Indian Parliament to handle environmental protection and conservation of natural resources. National Green Tribunal has 5 places of sitting. New Delhi is the principal place of sitting. And besides this location, Bhopal, Pune, Kolkata and Chennai are other 4. Tribunals means the specialist judicial bodies which decide disputes in particular area of law. With the establishment of National Green Tribunal, India became the 3rd country to establish specialized authority after Australia and New Zealand. It comprises chairperson and judicial members, and the duration of these members are 5 years. It's a 10-member body including 20 full-time members. In the open page, the Hindu published about 2 articles regarding the national education policy, and in this article we can read about early childhood care and education. Over 85% of child cumulative brain development occurs before the age 6. Over 5 crore children are estimated not have attained foundational literacy and numeracy in India. Children from socio-economically backward do not have access to ECCE. New policy highlighted aspiration, information, motivation and measurement, and it provides better awareness to parents. In the national news, the Hindu reported about the thermal scanner. The Hyderabad airport now equipped with a thermal scanner, United Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It's a program in accordance with the ADB, Asian Development Bank, means the Regional Development Bank, established on 19th December 1966. Headquarters in Philippines and 31 field offices around the world and 68 members countries. The aim of the ADB to promote social and economic development in Asia. ADB began its financial operation in India in 1987 for 36 investment and already covered 126 assistant projects. In the national news, we can also read about the Vande Bharat mission. It's the government of India's massive evacuation program following the COVID-19 spread. This involved flight service, Air India and its low-cost arm Air India Express as well as Indian Navy. A total 64 flights, half of which were for Gulf states. 2 national ships for India in Maldives named as Samudra Setu. In India's international relation, the Hindu reported about India-China military talk, and it's about disengagement along point on LAC. The fallout from the deadly clash between India and Chinese troops in remote part of the disputed Kashmir continues. The difference between LAC and LOC. The LAC is a border between India and China, and 4,556 kilometers is the area. And in LOC, the border between India and Pakistan, the 45% of Kashmir region, and the area covers 776 kilometers. And the national news, the Hindu reported about CAA, that is the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. It provides citizenship on the base of religion to immigrants, to 6 non-Muslim communities from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh who entered India on or before December 31st, 2014. Home Ministry of India issued the notification January 10. After this notification, the massive protest happened in India and 70 people were killed in this protest. In CAA, the Amendment Act of Citizenship Act 1955, and it provides a path to Indian citizenship for Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian religious minorities. Muslim from those countries were not given such eligibilities. In the international news, we can read about UK's new program or the issue to honor Mahatma Gandhi, to commemorate Gandhi's active role in contribution to people from Black and Asia and other ethnic communities. Let's look into the 6 important movements led by the Mahatma Gandhi. That is Champaran Movement 1917, Kheda Movement 1918, Khilafat Movement 1919, Non-Cooperation Movement 1930, Civil Disobedience Movement 1930 and Quit India Movement 1942. Thank you for watching.